Hello everyone, welcome back to V-Shark Trading, where we follow the footsteps of the sharks using the V-Shark OB method. In today's video, we'll review the Sell BTC setup on September 27, 2025. The market moved almost exactly as we expected, but unfortunately, our order didn't get filled. Situations like this are part of trading. They may feel frustrating, but they also provide valuable lessons on execution and risk management. Let's break it all down. Market overview H4. On the H4 chart, the picture was very clear. The market was in a strong downtrend. We saw a series of long-bodied red candles confirming bearish structure. This was a clear sign that heavy selling pressure was in play. In V-Shark trading, one of our core principles is simple. Always trade with the main trend. When the higher time frame shows strong bearish momentum, we don't try to pick bottoms. Instead, we look for sell opportunities to align with institutional flow, or as we like to say, swim with the sharks. Even though the market had already dropped quite far, that didn't mean opportunities were gone. After big moves, markets often make technical pullbacks, and those pullbacks give us the perfect chance to position ourselves in line with the bigger players. Detailed analysis M30. Dropping down to the M30 chart, the bearish momentum was still obvious. After a sharp sell-off, price started consolidating sideways. This kind of pause is common. The market takes a breather, absorbs liquidity, and then often continues in the same direction. Inside that consolidation, we spotted a very clear V-Shark OB. Here's why it stood out. A strong bearish candle broke through previous structure. Volume spiked massively, far above the 10-candle average and much higher than the previous candle. An imbalance formed, leaving a liquidity gap behind the move. All these factors together confirmed institutional activity. This was a textbook V-Shark OB, exactly the type of setup we want when looking to enter in the direction of the larger trend. Trading plan. The plan was straightforward. 1. Place a sell limit order at the V-Shark OB zone. 2. Put the stop loss just above the OB. 3. Target take profit at the next lower support area, following the direction of the trend. This was a clean, high probability setup with great RR. What actually happened? But as always, the market has the final say. Price pulled back close to the OB, came very near to our entry, but never touched it. Then it dropped hard in the exact direction we expected. The result? Our trade wasn't filled, and we were left watching the move unfold without us. It's disappointing, but it's also a reality every trader must deal with. Lessons learned. From this missed trade, there are a few key takeaways. 1. Strong OBs don't always get retested. When a V-Shark OB is formed with huge volume, price often doesn't retrace deeply. Instead, the market continues in the same direction without looking back. That's exactly what happened here. 2. Be flexible with entries. To avoid missing moves, you can split entries. Keep one sell limit directly at the OB for the best R if price comes back. Add 1 or 2 smaller positions slightly higher in case the market only makes a shallow pullback. This way, you have a chance to catch the move even if price doesn't return to the OB perfectly. 3. Patience and discipline matter. Sometimes the setup looks perfect, but price just brushes past the zone and runs. Don't chase it. Stay patient, wait for the next clean setup, and trust your system. Think long-term. Missing a trade doesn't change your long-term results if your edge is solid. The key is consistency. Stick to your process, let probabilities play out, and the results will come over time. The review of the Sell BTC setup on September 27th shows us one important lesson. Even when the analysis is correct, execution can mean the difference between catching the move or missing it. The V-Shark OB method gives us an edge by identifying where institutional money steps in. But to fully benefit from it, we need flexibility in execution, strict risk control, and the right trading mindset. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video from V-Shark Trading, where we continue to follow the shark's footsteps with V-Shark OB.